Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today we're looking on how to add the Huobi echo chain. It's going to be very simple, very straightforward. Those are the network settings. So if you have no idea on how to do this, first of all, make sure you have Metamask downloaded. You can go ahead to Google, and this is, by the way, a straightforward tutorial. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do, and pretty easy to follow up with. So go to Metamask, make sure you download it, make sure you create an account, and also make sure to save those fast phrases because they are very important. So right here, as you can see, connect with Huobi echo chain. Those are the network settings. So after doing that, head to the Metamask extension, right click on the three dots and expand the view so you could get something like this, something pretty simple. And then all you have to do is hit the right corner right here, add a simple network. You can name it whatever you want, but we're going to stick with the name of the chain itself. So Huobi echo right here, I'm going to add that Huobi right here. And as for the URL, as you can see, it's pretty much right here, HTTP mainnet. As you can see, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna copy it and I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to for the chain ID, which is 128. As you can see, it's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. And basically the currency symbol is going to ABHT. And yeah, with that said, it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. If you want, you can copy this, or you can else ignore it, and boom, you have added the network. You can go ahead and click save, and boom, you have the HT network right here. It's pretty simple, as I said, pretty straightforward. But yeah, with that said, tell us what you think about this in the comment section. Tell us what networks you'd love to see, and peace.